Inflammation can be a silent saboteur of your health, but you can fight back with anti-inflammatory foods. First up, leafy greens like spinach and kale. Packed with antioxidants, these foods help neutralize harmful free radicals. Next, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with fiber and vitamins that reduce inflammation. Don't forget fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their strong anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is another must-have. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent inflammation fighter. And finally, embrace nuts and seeds like almonds and chia seeds. They're full of healthy fats that help lower inflammatory markers. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet can help reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and keep you feeling your best. Want more tips? Hit that subscribe button and join our health-conscious community today.